Germany has a long and fascinating history, but one of the most interesting stories is about the Berlin Wall. After World War II, Germany was divided into two parts, West Germany and East Germany. West Germany was controlled by countries like the United States, France, and the UK, while East Germany was controlled by the Soviet Union. The capital city, Berlin, was also split into two. People living in West Berlin had more freedom and opportunities, but life in East Berlin was very strict and controlled by the government. In 1961, something shocking happened. The East German government built a huge wall that separated East and West Berlin. They said the wall was to protect their country, but really, they wanted to stop people from escaping to the West, where life was better. Families were separated overnight. Friends couldn't visit each other. The wall was heavily guarded, and anyone who tried to cross it illegally could be arrested or worse. For nearly 30 years, the Berlin Wall stood as a symbol of division. But then, something amazing happened. In 1989, after years of protests and political changes, the East German government decided to open the borders. On November 9, 1989, people from East and West Berlin gathered at the wall. They celebrated, hugged, and even started tearing down the wall with their own hands. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the end of the Cold War and led to the reunification of Germany in 1990. Today, parts of the wall still remain as a reminder of how the country was once divided and how it came together again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story about Germany, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating history videos.